want a big house. I wanna live with 2 dogs. I want a ticket to Paris. I wanna see the Eiffel Tower. I want this, I want that. I wanna do this, I wanna do that. I know, I always want more, but don't we all? Yes, she wants a new phone. She wants to use new apps. She wants a black dress. She wants to wear it now. She wants butter and sugar. She wants to bake cookies and cake. She wants this, she wants that. She wants to do this, she wants to do that. Oh well, she always wants more, but don't we all? Yeah, he wants a new job. He wants to work from home. He wants a road bike. He wants to ride along the beach. He wants a little vacation. He wants to travel by himself. He wants this, he wants that. He wants to do this, he wants to do that. Oh well, he always wants more, but don't we all? They want new things. They want many things. What do they really want? What do they want to do? They want this, they want that. They want to do this, they want to do that. Oh yes, they forever want more, but don't we all? Yeah, I want a new start. I want to chase my dreams. I don't want to promise. I don't want to go back there. I don't want any gossip. I don't want to hear it at all. We want this, we want that. We want to do this, they want to do that. Oh yes, we forever want more. Yeah, don't we all?